Hi guys, John here, and today I am opening 10 Unified Minds booster packs. Okay, let's shuffle them around. There we go. Let's put it aside and let's take our first one. Okay. It's a green code, but that's alright. Here's the code for you guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Algium, U-Turn Board, Caracosta, Cubone, Yanma, Yungoos, Cryogonal, Litwick, Dratini, and Escavalier. Okay. Next pack. Another green. Okay, here you guys go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What energy are you thinking, guys? I'm thinking fire. And it's fighting. Okay. Fighting energy, Blaine's Quiz Show, Oranguru, Weakness Guard Energy, Murkrow, Execute, Alolan Grimer, Hoot Hoot, Carablast, Tynamo, and Crustle. Okay. Next pack. 1 second. Sorry, guys. This pack is really hard to open. Another green. Uh-oh. Too much green. Here you guys go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel Energy, or no, Metal Energy, Normalium Z, Hapu, Magneton, Pikachu, Hoot Hoot, Scraggy, Numel, Tynamo, Sewaddle, and Unfezant. Come on, guys, let's get something good. We have 10 packs. Of course there should be. I think we have 7 left. Another green? Uh-oh. Here you guys go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Darkness Energy, Thundurus, Recycle Energy, Breloom, Cryogonal, Morini, Fomantis, Riolu, Purloin, Pidove, and a Honchko. Okay, guys. Come on. Be a white energy. Oh, wait, what happened? What? Wait, where's the code card? It's a white code. That was weird. Anyway, here you guys go. I think this is in the back. Yeah, this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I do it right? Oh, I didn't. Wait 1 second. A Raichu and a Alolan Raichu. What's the name? Oh, Alternative Art. That's great. Sorry, guys. Psychic Energy, Titanol, Pokemaniac, Lapras, Finneon, Alolan Grimer, Carablast, Fletchling, Honedge, and Yungoos. That was a very weird pack. It was not supposed to happen. Anyway, we got something good. That's alright. Green card. Here you guys go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fairy Energy, Arkin, Yanma, Earring Bell, Poiple, Snorunt, Drillbur, Dwebble, Pidove, Noibat, and Behayem. There's 4 left. Hopefully we get something spot on. Here you guys go. 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to do the card trick, guys. Water Energy, Stadium Nav, Gabite, Cherish Ball, Honedge, Pikachu, Pidove, Poiple, Numel, Doublade, and Electros Hollow. Good. 3 packs left. Okay. It is another white. Okay, this is not so bad at least. Here you guys go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Saw something good. Oops. Psychic Energy, Sableye, Swadloon, Flyinium Z, Poiple, Snorunt, Drillbur, Dwebble, Pidove, Slackoth, and Raichu and Alolan Raichu GX. Good. Okay. Another green. Okay. Here you guys go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy, Komala, Pokemon Research Lab, Lumineon, Finneon, Alolan Grimer, Carablast, Fletchling, Honedge, Salandit, and Galvantula. Okay, guys. That's the final pack. Let's get something good. Oops, I'm having trouble. Wait a second. It's a white code, which is good. Here you guys go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm guessing Water Energy. Oh, Fairy. Great Potion, Barrel, Tornadus, Drillbur, Slackoth, Fungus, Honedge, Magnemite, Zygarde, and the last card for the day is Slowpoke and Psyduck tag team. Okay, guys, that'll be it for this episode. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the like button too, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!